Alright, fellow skygazers and future flyers, buckle up, because what I'm about to show you will make every sci-fi movie you've ever watched look like a grainy documentary. Forget everything you thought you knew about flying, because the future of aviation is so wild, so revolutionary. It's practically science fiction coming to life right now. We're not talking about minor upgrades here. We're diving headfirst into a world where planes run on hydrogen, take off like helicopters, and look like something ripped from a truly awesome video game today. We're tearing down the runway of innovation to explore 8 future aircraft concepts that are obliterating the boundaries of possibility. If you've ever dreamt of silent skies, zero-emission travel, or just wanted to witness humanity's relentless march towards incredible technological feats, then you need to see these machines stick around, because by the end of this, your perspective on air travel will be fundamentally altered. Alright, let's kick off this journey into the stratosphere of innovation, ranking these bad boys from pretty darn cool to, are you kidding me? My mind is gone. Coming in at number 8, but still a monumental leap, Rolls-Royce ACCEL. Now, you might be thinking, Rolls-Royce makes luxury cars, right? Well, it also makes some of the best jet engines on the planet, and with its ACCEL project, it decided to make the fastest electric plane ever. This isn't a passenger jet. It's a sleek, single-seater electric beast designed for one thing: speed. It utterly smashed the world speed record for an electric aircraft, hitting speeds over 387 miles per hour. Why is this mind-blowing? Because it proved that electric propulsion isn't just for drones anymore. It showed that with enough battery muscle and a serious electric motor, you can turn a plane into a rocket-powered whisper. It's the ultimate proving ground, paving the way for everything else on this list. 7. Pipistrel Velis Electro. Okay, bear with me, because this one might seem small, but its impact is gargantuan. The Pipistrel Velis Electro is a 2-seat trainer aircraft. A trainer, yawn, you might say. Wrong. This unassuming little bird is the world's first type-certified electric aircraft. That means it's not just a prototype, it's legally cleared to fly passengers well, students and instructors at least, in European airspace. Why is that mind-blowing? Because getting any new aircraft certified is an Everest-level task, let alone one that runs purely on batteries. Pipistrel basically opened the floodgates for electric aviation, proving to regulators worldwide that, yes, electric planes are safe, reliable, and ready for prime time. This little guy walked so the bigger ones could eventually fly. 6. Aviation Alice. Now we're getting into proper passenger planes. Meet Alice, a beautiful, almost serene-looking aircraft that's going to make regional hops utterly silent and emission-free. Alice is an all-electric commuter plane designed for short to medium routes, carrying up to 9 passengers. Its elegant design features a V-tail and a single pusher propeller at the rear. It's essentially a giant battery with wings, and it has already successfully taken to the skies. Aviation is proving that electric propulsion can scale beyond trainers to practical commercial transport. Imagine flying from Los Angeles to Las Vegas or London to Paris without a drop of fossil fuel, just the gentle hum of electric motors. It's like a Tesla for the skies, but way cooler. 5. Aerofugia AE200. From China, we have the Aerofugia AE200, and this is where things start to get a bit more futuristic. This isn't your grandpa's helicopter. It's a sleek electric vertical takeoff and landing, or eVTOL, aircraft designed for urban and regional air mobility. Think air taxis for more than just 1 or 2 people. This baby can carry up to 6. The mind-blowing part, its tilt-rotor design. It takes off vertically like a helicopter, using its propellers for lift. And then, as it transitions to forward flight, those entire rotor assemblies tilt forward to act like traditional propellers, allowing the wings to generate lift for efficient cruise. It's the best of both worlds. Helicopter agility with airplane speed and efficiency, perfectly demonstrated by its successful full-tilt transition flights. 4. EHang EH216. Hold on to your hats, because China is absolutely dominating the practical side of autonomous electric flight. and the EHang EH216 is its poster child. This isn't just an eVTOL, it's an autonomous aerial vehicle, meaning there's no pilot on board. The computer handles everything. It's a two-seater multi-rotor aircraft that looks like a giant, elegant drone. The EH216 isn't just a concept, it's the world's first passenger-carrying eVTOL to receive a type certificate from a National Aviation Authority of China. That means it's legally approved for commercial operations. It's already conducting tourism flights and demonstrations. This isn't the future, it's literally happening now, ushering in an era where you can hail an autonomous air taxi from your phone. 3. NASA X-57 Maxwell. Now, for something truly out of a NASA laboratory, because, well, it is from a NASA laboratory. The X-57 Maxwell is an experimental aircraft designed to prove the incredible potential of distributed electric propulsion, or DEP. Forget two big engines under the wings. This plane has 14 electric motors spread across its wingspan. 12 smaller ones on the leading edge are for massive lift during takeoff and landing, and 2 larger ones on the wingtips provide efficient cruise. Why is this mind-blowing? Because DEP allows for completely new wing designs, super slender and efficient, and offers unprecedented control, reduced noise, and increased safety. It's not just an electric plane, it's a radical reimagining of how wings and propulsion can work together. This is where engineers get to be pure artists. 2. KLM-TU Delft Flying V. Okay, prepare for your eyes to do a double take. The KLM-TU Delft Flying V isn't just an aircraft, it's an architectural marvel in the sky. It looks like something Batman would fly, or perhaps a truly magnificent alien spacecraft. Instead of a cylindrical fuselage with wings attached, this concept integrates the passenger cabin, cargo hold, and fuel tanks directly into its V-shaped wings. The passengers are literally sitting inside the wings. Why is this so mind-blowingly awesome? Because this radical, blended wing body design dramatically reduces air resistance and structural weight. We're talking about a projected 20% improvement in fuel efficiency over today's most advanced aircraft. While it's currently envisioned with traditional jet engines that are modified for sustainable fuels, this airframe is perfectly suited for future hydrogen or electric propulsion, showing how revolutionary design can redefine efficiency before we even touch the engine type. It's a fundamental rethink of what a plane is. 1. Airbus ZEROe concepts. And finally, topping our list as the most mind-blowing concept, the one that truly redefines commercial aviation as we know it, the Airbus ZEROe concepts. Airbus isn't just tinkering, it's committing to putting a zero-emission commercial aircraft into service by 2035. This isn't just electric. These concepts are all about hydrogen. Whether it's hydrogen fuel cells converting hydrogen to electricity for electric motors, or modified gas turbines burning hydrogen directly, the goal is literally zero carbon emissions from the tailpipe. Imagine flying across continents, knowing that the only thing coming out of the engines is water vapor. Its 3 main concepts include a turboprop for short haul, a turbofan for medium haul, and the absolutely bonkers blended wing body, or BWB design. The BWB variant is where your jaw will hit the floor, a massive, futuristic airframe where the wings seamlessly blend into the main body, providing enormous space for hydrogen tanks. This isn't just cleaner, it's quieter, potentially more spacious, and represents a complete paradigm shift for commercial travel. Airbus isn't just building a plane, it's building the future of long-distance, genuinely green air travel. We're talking about taking humanity's biggest polluters out of the sky and replacing them with machines that literally leave no carbon footprint. So, there you have it. 8 future aircraft concepts that aren't just pie-in-the-sky dreams. They're in various stages of development, testing, and even commercial operation right now. The notion that air travel will always rely on noisy, polluting fossil fuels is not just outdated, it's actively being dismantled by engineers and visionaries across the globe. Anyone who tells you that sustainable, silent, and truly revolutionary air travel is decades away, simply hasn't been paying attention. The skies are about to change in ways most people can't even begin to imagine.